this next story might be my favorite of the whole bunch today. And I know people sent it to me and somehow it didn't register how cool it was. And then I'm reading a little bit more and I'm like, oh my God, we got to talk about this. This is, I love this. I got, a history with this. United Airlines is buying 15 supersonic aircraft from Boom Supersonic. Depending on safety tests, United may increase its order to 50 supersonic jets. Look at that thing right there. You're not happy. Okay, listen. It's about damn time. You got military jets that can get you across the world super quick. And by the way, I just need to get this out of the way. Yes, if you travel fast, you burn a lot of fuel. This company has an eco plan to solve that, all right? So stop with that for now. But it's been roughly the same speed you travel across the world. And we got people trying to go to space. I'm looking at you, Elon. I'm looking at you, Jeff. And can we just improve the jets first? Okay, maybe through improving the jets, we get better tech for space anyway. I don't know. Maybe not.
Right.
But we had this. This existed. There was a jet called the Concorde, which I'm familiar with. I was obsessed with for a while when I was a kid.
Because you wanted one?
My Nono told me once that having traveled on it, I don't know where he went. Maybe it was to London. I can't remember. But spoke of an experience of speed that at the time I think was exclusive as far as commercial travel was concerned. Now, it went out of commission. They couldn't make it work. It's pretty rugged on the inside. Not all that luxurious. I mean, it kind of looks like a military plane on the inside. But it was fast. And it was fast all the way back then. And then we were like, nah, we can't be doing these supersonic things. It doesn't work. The business model doesn't work. But do me a favor and go to the Wikipedia for the Concorde. I just want to check the speed on it. Because I think this new one is even faster. But of course we can check. Mach 2.04 was the speed, which is around 1,354 miles per hour or 2,180 kilometers per hour. So this is the Concorde, seating for 92 to 128 passengers. This was all the way back in 1969. This new jet that United is apparently purchasing 15 of, the speed here is Mach 1.7. So not quite as fast as the Concorde, but very close and a lot more luxurious on the inside, as you're going to see as you scroll here. So, okay, scroll a little bit more to the interior cabin picture. Like, you could fly there, Will. Come on, man. You could sit there.
Yes.
And what if I was to tell you that because you're a big Japan guy. Actually, they don't have the Japan timing in here, but we can figure it out based on these other flight times. New York to London is typically 7 hours. You do that in 3.5. So it cuts it in half. Los Angeles to Sydney is a 15-hour trip. Try 6 hours and 45 minutes. Tokyo is what, 10 or 11 from here?
No.
Come on, man.
It's...
Come on, Will.
Yeah, I don't remember. Oh.
Too late. I got it. 16.
Narita Airport.
Oh, no. Wait a sec. That's with a stopover. You did a stopover.
I did a stopover.
Yeah. So we need
Chicago.
We there must be a direct, no? Is there no direct flight? No one's doing that?
Go to Air Canada to Narita.
Toronto, Tokyo direct. Oh, yeah. Here we go. 12 hours. Nonstop. Air Canada.
Oh, okay.
12 hours, 55. Okay. So you do that in 6.
Sitting here?
You do that in 6. You're sitting there and it's direct. It's a direct flight. And you happen to be on the fastest moving commercial jet and you feel really cool about it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it's going to cost you a few dollars. They did not release pricing, but speculation is going to be a $5,000 minimum.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, you kind of thought that, didn't you?
Yeah. This is like premium airfare.
Unbelievable stuff. This gets me excited. I know I'm a weirdo. They got a cool promo video.
So Do you feel the Mach?
Oh, I
The-
feel.
the
I
G?
feel the Mach.
All the Machs?
I feel many Machs.
Is there like a speed thing with your body, or no?
So, oh, you gotta turn on the music probably. I don't know. I'm assuming you gotta turn on music. Yeah, check out the promo video. They did like a music video. They're like, don't you want this jet? I believe you would feel it. I mean, since it's a commercial aircraft, I presume they're gonna ease into it, Will. Like, I don't think they're gonna hit you with the Mach all right away. I don't think it's Mach 2 straight out the gate.
Everyone passes out.
Yeah. Too many G's. Yeah, I think they would be gradual with it. But I think once you're at cruising, I don't believe you would feel a difference. You're flying at 60,000 feet, by the way. That's another thing you're capable of doing. 60,000, am I right about this? I believe that's what I read.
Yeah, 60,000 feet.
60,000 feet. Anyway, these are expected to be rolled out in 2025, fly them in 2026, and then carry passengers in 2029.
Sweet.
This is still a little ways off, but I find this to be quite exciting, this stuff.
Yeah.
71 feet long. The full-scale XB1 is 71 feet long. Full production model hopes to have, how many passengers did it say? By the way, Japan Airlines, one of the companies interested and invested. Same with Virgin Group. So maybe after all, Branson's going to be interested in these. I thought I saw how many people it can carry. Maybe not. It wasn't a ton, as you would expect, because it isn't a huge jet. One of those photos looks wild when you go scroll down to the one where it's like coming out of the hangar. It just looks like an absolute rocket, which is fun as far as I'm concerned.
That's really cool.
Like,
it's so pointy.
Man.
Poke your eye out. It's like, look at this.
I'm just looking for the passenger. 88 passengers is what it will carry. So obviously you got to be spread out to have the accommodations that you saw in there.
Yeah.
But what my nono had told me about the Concorde was it was no frills, man. Inside of it, it was nothing fancy. And he did speak about getting knocked around a little bit, but that was a different client. It was a different era.
Well, he needed to go somewhere fast, right? That's all it needed to do.
Actually, I don't even think that's what it's about. I think at the time it was more like it was almost like how people are doing the space tourism now. It was kind of a thing of like, ooh, you flew on a Concorde? Damn. Like it was a thing. I mean, he did go to Europe or whatever. Like it was also kind of an experience if you had the money for it.
Right.
And I guess he did. But anyway, this thing's out of commission. But now with this boom company, Boom Supersonic, it's happening again. A little bit differently, but happening again. I got to tell you, man, once this thing comes, like on the space one, I'm a little like the space tourism that just goes up and comes back down for like, I don't know, whatever price they're saying, $500,000 or something. I'm not saying in the sense that I'm just trying to return on like the actual experience.
Yeah.
It would actually be kind of amazing to say.
You like the needle airplane.
It would be cool to go to space. It would be cool to go to space and see from up there, but it's over very fast, the experience, as far as I can tell, right? Isn't it?
Couple, like an hour maybe?
Okay, and it's just so expensive right now.
Yes.
And people are lining up. They're like, I don't care. I'm doing it. And they're paying these crazy amounts of money. If this is actually $5,000 and you can travel across the world and end up in...
Where would you go? Your first flight?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's going to be very limited choices.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's going to be... I mean, the examples they gave, like London probably would be one. And Sydney they mentioned... I don't think it's going to... There's not enough jets to go everywhere with this. Their initial order's 15.
Uh-huh.
So it probably would be London or something like that.
Oh.
Anyway. I got very excited about that one.
You did.
It's also called Boom Supersonic.